How to make money on Metatrader 4. The latest buzzword in the Indian financial market is something known as exchange-traded funds. ETFs are essentially index funds that are listed and traded on the exchange like stocks. An ETF is a basket of stocks that reflects the composition of an index like S&P CNX Nifty or BSE Sensex. The ETF's trading value is based on the net asset value of the underlying stocks that it represents. Think of it as a mutual fund that you can buy and sell in real time at a price that changes throughout the day. Until the development of ETFs, this was not possible before. Now ETFs have opened a whole new panorama of investment opportunities to retail as well as institutional money managers. They enable investors to gain broad exposure to entire stock markets in different countries and specific sectors with relative ease on a real-time basis and at a lower cost than many other forms of investing. Globally, ETFs are a phenomenon which are growing by the day and are really popular, with almost 60% of the volumes traded on the American Stock Exchange are held by the ETFs. In India, since last 6 months, 3 ETFs frequently come in 100 most traded scrips on NSE. They are Nifty Bs, Gold Bs and Liquid Bs. Although ETFs are at a very nascent stage but are catching up pace as time goes by.